We are working on part A, in which we have to mass out our metal. So the first thing we're going to do is put some weigh paper on the scale, and then we'll tare it. Then we're going to take our bar of zinc, that's what we're using today, and get the mass of the zinc. So the mass of the zinc bar dry is 22.055 grams. 22.055 grams. We're now going to take this bar and heat it up. So we're going to place it in a 200 ml test tube, slide it gently in, and we're going to heat this in a water bath. I have the hot plate set up with a 400 ml beaker with some boiling chips and some water, and it is now hopefully boiling, or just starting to boil, so you can see the steam coming off. We have our 200 ml test tube with our zinc bar in, and what we're going to do is we're going to put this so that the bar is completely submerged in the boiling water, and it is going to sit and boil for a total of about 10 minutes so it can come to the same temperature. So we're just going to leave it there now for 10 minutes. What we're going to do now is set up our calorimeter. It consists of two styrofoam cups. We have an outer and an inner. What we'll do first is we're going to take some paper towel and we're going to line the outer cup. Nothing too fancy, but just to give us additional insulation. We'll then take the inner styrofoam cup, place it inside, and then we have the lid, and we'll put the lid on. So this is our calorimeter fully empty. What we're going to do now is get the mass of the calorimeter, then we're going to add 20 ml of deionized water and get the mass again. So our calorimeter empty, just by itself, weighs 17.994 grams. 17.994 grams. We're now going to add the approximate 20 ml of deionized water into the calorimeter. Close it back up again, and we'll get a new mass. Our new mass is 37.996 grams of water. 37.996 grams of water. We are going to get the temperature of the metal and obviously the boiling water because it will be at the same temperature. So throughout the experiment we're going to be using Vernier Lager Pro. So this is it in the background. I will actually give you a clearer shot when it comes time. The temperature is down here as we go. We're going to use a GoLink and then our temperature probe. So we're just going to put it right into the boiling water, and we'll see what the temperature is in Celsius. We're just going to wait till it stops moving up. Currently, right now, we are at 99. And it looks like we are now sitting at 99.4 degrees Celsius. 99.4 degrees Celsius. So that is the temperature of the metal and the water. 99.4 degrees Celsius. We need the starting temperature of our water in our calorimeter. So the water temperature itself is 28.4 degrees Celsius. 28.4 degrees Celsius. That's going to be our starting temperature. So here comes the fun. Hopefully you'll be able to see both eventually on the Zoom file I'll post, which I think is going live now, and what we're doing. So we're going to take our hot piece of metal We're going to put it in, we're going to cap it up, and we're immediately going to start collecting our data now. Oopsie. Okay. And I'll try to move this out of the way, so hopefully you can see what's happening on the screen as well. Sorry about that. Okay, we hit our 5 minutes. So we're topped off at about 33.6 or 33.7 degrees Celsius. And we're going to run it again, basically. So stay tuned for the next step.